Let's have a look at conversion. Converting units of length, you can think of a rabbit that is jumping from the one unit to the next. At the moment, you know that there is 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer, or you times kilometer with 1,000 to get to meters, or divide meters with 1,000 to get to kilometers. But let's have a look at where that 1,000 and 110 comes from. If we look at our unit line, we will see the unit line consists of kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. And you will see every time that you jump from the one unit to the next, it is times 10, or if you go backwards, it's divide 10. But you do not need to know all the names. So instead of writing all the names down, we can eliminate the names we are not using and just put a line. So when you write this down, this will be kilometers, line, meter, line, centimeter, millimeter. Let's have a look at how we are using this practically. 12 kilometers converted to meters. You are now jumping from kilometers to meters. If you look at the jumping, we are jumping 1, 2, 3 units, meaning we are timing 10 with 3 times 10. So it's 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. So this is actually times 1,000. The 1,000 comes from each one of the zeros from the 10. You now write down by the 1,000. So this will be 12 kilometers times with 1,000. Or you jump 3 times with the comma. The comma, if the comma is not visible and you don't see it, it hides behind the last number. In this case, it's the 2. So if you pick up the comma and you jump 3 times, 1, 2, 3, you will now see in bet- in these boopies that is there is no number written there. So whenever there is an open boopie, you write zeros. So this will be 12,000 meters. Let's have a look at another one. 267 centimeters. Convert that to meters. We are jumping from centimeters to meters. How many units? 1, 2 units. It's 2 jumps. For every 10 that you divide with, it now becomes 1, 2 tens to divide with. So in other words, we divide with 100. The 100 comes from 1 0 from each of the tens. So again, if we have 267, the comma is not visible, so it's hiding here behind the 7. So we are jumping with a comma 2 times. So you pick up the comma, jump in between 1, 2. The comma now moves and it stands now in between the 2 and the 6. So our answer is 2,67 meters. Let's have a look at a few examples. A bridge is 0,85 kilometers long. Express this length in meters. So we first write down that we need to convert the unit from kilometers to meter. Remember, there is 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. If you can't remember if you need to divide or you need to times, then you write down your unit line. Kilometer, line, meter, line, centimeter, millimeter. And then remember, if you jump from kilometer to meter, it's 3 jumps. So there will be 3 zeros. And we are jumping from the left to the right. So the comma jumps 3 times. There's 3 zeros in 1,000, so the comma must jump 3 times. Or you look at your units and you see you jumped 3 times up to meters. So if you now take your 0,85 and you times it with 1,000, or if you jump with your comma now is there. So you pick up your comma and you jump 1, 2, 3 times with your comma. There in those two boopies, there's numbers, but in this one, there is no number. And your comma then moves to the back. So remember, when there's no number, we put a 0. So your answer will be 0,850 meters. But we do not need to write the 0 in front of the number, except if there's a comma. So your answer can be 850 meters long. Let's have a look at another example. A carpet has a length of 625,10 millimeters. Express this in meters. Now you write down, you need to convert from millimeters to meters. Remember, there's 1000 millimeters in 1 meter. If you can't remember that, again, write down your unit line. And then you jump from, say, millimeters to meters, and you will see you are jumping 3 times, which makes 1000. But we are now jumping from millimeter from the right to meter to the left. So you are dividing, or your comma jumps to the left. Let's look practically. Your comma is in between two numbers. You pick up your comma and you jump in between your numbers to the left. 1, 2, 3. Your comma is now in front of the 6, but there's not a 0 in front because it's directly in front of the 6. So you write your comma in front of the 6, and then in front of a comma, where there's no number, you write a 0. So your answer is going to be 0,62510 meter. You write down all the numbers at the back of the 0 when you moved it. You do not write the 0 here anymore, the comma here anymore, because your comma has moved because you were dividing. So your final answer, the carpet is 0,62510 meters long. Let's have a look at another example. A pencil is 0,024 meters long. Convert the length to centimeters. So we write down that it's from meters to centimeters. 1 meter has 100 centimeters. How do I know that? If I write down my unit line and I jump from meter to centimeter, it's 2 jumps. 2 jumps means 100. There's 2 zeros. So your comma has to jump 2 times. But from meter to centimeter, we are moving from, so we are actually timing now with 100. Your comma is in between the 2 zeros. You pick up your comma and you jump 2 times to the right. Your comma now moves in between the 2 and the 4. So when you write your answer without the zeros, it's 2,4. The 2 zeros in front, remember, we do not have to write the zeros in front of a number if there is no comma in between them. So the answer here will be, the pencil is 2,4 centimeters long. Let's have a look at a last example. Jeremiah is 112 millimeters, 1120 millimeters long. Convert the length to meters. So we write down 1120 millimeters, converting to meters. If you can't remember that there's 1000 millimeters in 1 meter, then you write down your unit line and you jump 1, 2, 3 times. That will give you 1000. So the comma has to jump 3 times because there's 3 zeros. This is from the right to the left, which means divide with 1000. Or your comma jumps from behind the number. Remember, there's no comma, so the comma hides behind. Your comma jumps now from the right to the left. 1, 2, 3 times. It is now jumping from the back to the front. It stands now in between the two ones. So this is 1,120 meters. So your answer will be Jeremiah is 1,120 meters long. Now try for yourself. Convert the following units or measurements as directed. 4,500 millimeters to meters. Remember, you can always write down your unit line. So from millimeters to meters, we jump from the right to the left. Jump and see how many times, and move your comma. Remember, in the open booppies, there's a 0. The answer is 0,00450 meters because we jumped from millimeters 1, 2, 3 times. Our comma was in between the 4 and 5. We jumped 1, 2, 3 times. Try another one. Convert 950 centimeters to meters. From centimeter to meter, we are again jumping from right to left. Quickly do the conversion. When my comma jumps from the right to the left, it jumps 2 times from behind the 0, and my answer is 9,50 meters. The next one, 8,75 kilometers to meters. We are jumping from kilometer to meter, which is from left to right. Quickly do the conversion on your own. We jump 3 times from kilometer to meter, so the comma jumps 3 times. The answer will be 8,750 meters. Number 4, 2,850 meters converted to kilometers. We are jumping from meters to kilometers, meaning from the right to the left. Remember, if there's no 0, the 0 hides behind the last number. Oh, sorry, the comma. From meters to kilometers, we jump 1, 2, 3 times. So your comma jumps 3 times. It ends in between the 2 and the 8, 2,830 kilometers. Try the last one on your own. Good. It's 0,04923 kilometers. Well done. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel where you will find a lot more videos on other subjects, on other topics as well.